You ever eat chapstick before?
Eat chapstick?
You ever like eat it? Yeah.
No.
I got you. I'm Senior Airman James Lang. I'm part of the 99th LRS, and I work in air transportation at the air terminal at Nellis Air Force Base.
My name is Senior Airman Crowder, and I'm with the 820th Red Horse Squadron, and I work as a pavement and heavy equipment operator, AKA known as Dirt Boy.
Airman Crowder.
Airman Lang, how you doing, man?
I'm doing well. You think you got what it takes to be a Fort Dog today?
So, man, let's see how it goes.
Let's see.
All right, let's get it.
All right, man, so 2100 night mission. But before then, let's get a layout of the terminal. This is our passenger service center and one of our PAX check-in counters. So were we to be processing passengers tonight, this is where they would come in here. They'd weigh their bags and we get their weight. This is the 60K tonner.
Yeah.
So we're gonna use it to unload the aircraft tonight. So what's really cool about the tonner, right, is it goes up. You know, they can go about as high as that warehouse right there, 222 inches. And then they'll push the pallets onto the 60K, and these rollerized conveyor wheels, those will pop up, and the driver will operate them to push the pallet on these rollers to the back of the 60K where we'll secure the pallet. All right, so this is our 10K AT forklift. The AT is all terrain, so you can drive it in austere environments. We use them all the time. So when we go out there, we're gonna go out there in the truck. We're gonna watch for the aircraft.
ATOC Ramco.
Go for ATOC.
Goes down.
Wheels down. Aircraft's blocked.
Man, Airman Crowder, today you were a port dog. You downloaded over 20,000 pounds of cargo. 50 passengers returning home from deployment, a special moment for them. You spotted vehicles and drove a 10K AT forklift.
Airman Lang. How you doing, man?
I'm doing well, Airman Crowder, I'm doing well.
Excellent, excellent. You ready to be an 820th Red Horseman?
I'm ready, put me in, coach. Okay, when do I get my hat?
You gotta earn that. You gotta earn that. We'll see how that goes. But first, let's get this off of you. Let's get you going. You ready, man?
Let's do it.
This is where the 820th Red Horse is gonna have their asphalt operations. And we're gonna have you build some tents. So I don't know if you've done that before or not, but you're gonna need this hard hat. This is part of that. Right, get you gonna pop that on. I'm gonna have you get, we're gonna have you throw some wires over, make sure we get those wires over the tent bearings. So we can get the sheet pulled over it. Then we're gonna have you clamp down the tent sides as well. So it's gonna be a little hard work, but we got some tools that can help you out in the job.
Oh, man.
So now that I've gotten you in the Dirt Boy offices, seeing how we operate in our separate sections, I've gotten you out doing the tents, the triple nickel 555, our reserve unit. Now I need you to help and channel your inner Dirt Boy. Then after that, we're gonna head out to Pease Road on the hospital side. We're gonna be doing an asphalt road project. So it's gonna be pretty busy, but I think after all of that, we'll get you caught up.
Dirt boy, I'm a dirt boy.
So what do you think your favorite part of the job swap was and why?
The C-17, like actually walking up on there, you know, seeing everybody who just put in all this hard work on deployment, coming back, you know, see their families. That was great, and just being through guys, it seems like all hands on deck, like all the time, everybody's getting after it. So that was a bit of a shock of me having to be like, having my head on a swivel a little more and kind of just being ready.
Yeah, working with the Red Horse Squadron, it was enjoyable. Like, it was fun. It was fun getting outside, working outside, and it seems like you guys have a lot of camaraderie as a group. And the Red Horse Squadron, it covers so much. You said there was 38 AFSCs.
38 AFSCs, yeah, and that goes from materials management to you guys being air trans. We got medical out there, security forces, you know, you name it.
It just encompasses so much, and I think Specialty Swap is a really cool program that helps airmen gain perspective of what we're doing as a whole, as an Air Force, and just helping us work together as a team. You were never like in the 5th grade and you were like, nobody's watching. I'm gonna see what this thing tastes like.
You're right. You know, today I thought this smelled kind of like salami, and I was like,
You got salami chapstick, dude?
I don't know
Where
how,
do you get
but
your chapstick,
I don't
bro?
know, man.